Good day, sir. This is my topic for report. The fundamental movement skill in dancing. Fundamental movement skill in ballroom dancing. Number one is walking. In social ballroom dance, walking is essential fundamental movement skill that is used around the dance floor. So, kapalanan tawag sa ng walking. So, hindi na tayo explain kay walking is kung ano man na, ibuho na sa pareha lang sa maglakaw-lakaw. So, is ang turning. Turning is another fundamental movement skill in social ballroom dance which involves by putting on foot to change direction. So, sa turning is isa na pati ilang magamit pareha lang sa paikot. Panangyan na niya eh. So, yung ibahin niya. Sunod is ang swiveling. Swiveling is a movement skill that is involved rotating the hips while keeping the feet in the same position. Ang swiveling is, for example, is movement siya sa kuan, for example, sa kanang sa cha-cha o sa kaning sa sa rumba. Mo siyang example sa movement sa swiveling. Mara to.